As the first consignment from the Kolkata port to Agartala in Assam via Chittagong seaport of Bangladesh is supposed to enter Tripura in the next 2 days, the business class and the local people are very hopeful that the landlocked state of Tripura, surrounded on 3 sides by the Bangladesh, is going to turn into a business hub. With the first consignment from Kolkata port to Agartala in Assam via Chittagong seaport of Bangladesh is supposed to enter Tripura in the next 2 days, the business class and local people are very hopeful that Tripura will turn into a business hub. On July 16 last Thursday, a new landmark took place in maritime relations between India and Bangladesh as the Indian Shipping Minister Mansukh Mandavia virtually flagged off the first trial movement of the container ships from Kolkata port to Agartala in Tripura via Chittagong port in Bangladesh. With this, the northeastern region of India, which was earlier connected to the mainland by the Chicken Neck and through hilly serpentine roads, got access to the seaports. The business section of the state expressed that the new water connectivity will greatly benefit India's northeastern states by cutting transportation time and the cost through the land routes. It is a good thing for the people of Tripura. We were waiting for this for a long time. Sending commodities would be cost effective now, said Gautam Paul, a businessman.
अभी प्रेजेंटली जो साउंड आ रहा है, जो ये होने वाला है, तो हम लोग का एक आनंद की बात हो रहा है। उस टाइम में कभी-कभी तो हम लोग का रोड ब्लॉक हो जाता था। उसी का हिसाब से कुछ दिन इधर में गाड़ी आने में तकलीफ होता था, तो प्राइस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता था। तो हम लोग तो आशा तो करते हैं और अच्छा होने का, तो उसी का हिसाब से हम लोग बहुत सपना भी देख रहा है। जो एक्चुअली हम लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट का एक रिमोट एरिया में है, उसको ब्रॉड हो जाएगा तो अच्छी बात है।
At present, from Chittagong port, the consignment shall enter Tripura's capital Agartala by road, and from there shall be transported to other parts of the region by road or train. Again, a bridge over a river Feni is being constructed at southern Tripura's Sabroom town, connecting Ramgarh of Bangladesh, and which is around 72 kilometers from Chittagong port. This shall further ease the transportation from Tripura to Chittagong port and vice versa.
Business of Tripura as well as transportation and all other training from Tripura has every scope to compete in Northeast, and it will open a different dimension in Tripura business. From all Tripura business community, we hardly welcome it. We welcome the agreement within a very short time. It will change the economy of Tripura and industrial picture of Tripura.
The local population is hopeful of an economic boom due to the access to the seaport and view that with stability in this mode of communication in coming days, the state shall turn into India's gateway to Southeast Asia. Businessmen were waiting for this for a long time. It will open doors for the people of Tripura to new countries. Its impact would be unimaginable, said Tushar Kanti Chakraborty, president of All Tripura Merchant Association.
This is one of the most awaited connectivity all the business people are waiting for. All the disadvantages as far as logistics is concerned is going to be nullified. See, Tripura especially and Northeast altogether is going to get a opening to the Pacific countries and other business opportunities. And this 1,200 kilometers is a big route, going to be a small thing, and the impact will be unimaginable.
India signed an MOU with Bangladesh in 2015 for the movement of the Indian goods in Bangladesh through waterways, rails, roads or multimodal transport. Bureau Report.